Is the hair too much? I don't know. So guys, this is Abhishek and you're watching Gizmo Ground, and we are back with some quarantine content. Today what we're going to be reviewing is the Logitech G304 wireless gaming mouse. Now this wireless gaming mouse, you actually don't get the white colored one in India. I had to get it from someone from Logitech I know, but you do get the black one in India. But honestly, if you're not really going for a themed color PC, I mean my theme was white essentially, so I had to get the white mouse and not the black one. So unless you're actually doing something crazy like that, you're really better off with the black one. And coming to that point, the black one doesn't show a lot of smudges or any kind of dirt that accumulates on it, whereas this one does. I mean, sometimes you can actually clearly see the dirt and the smudges building up around it. Now the thing is that this mouse has been making the headlines for quite a while now. People all the way up from Linus Tech Tips to all the way down to me. We all have been reviewing this. Main reason is because this is using the Hero sensor, the same sensor that's been used in the Logitech G Pro wireless, which is a really expensive mouse and is considered one of the holy grails of wireless gaming mouse as of right now. But this comes at a fraction of the cost and works equally well, if I may say so. I mean, at least that's what Linus thinks. To be honest, I haven't used the Logitech G Pro wireless, so I wouldn't know, but this generally does offer you a response time of 1 millisecond, and is also, the grip is really comfortable. I do use a claw occasionally, but then again, I am not that big of a FPS gamer. I do play PUBG occasionally, Warzone and Apex Legends. Currently I'm not playing any of those, but when I used to play PUBG, this really made a difference in my opinion, because before that I was just using a normal generic wired Logitech mouse. Now out of the box, this mouse comes with the mouse, the battery, the wireless dongle and the USB extender. I have an unboxing video, I'll link it up here. So guys, this mouse comes with 6 buttons: the primary and secondary button, the scroll wheel, the thumb buttons and the dedicated DPI changer or selector. So what this allows you to do is it firstly lets you know which DPI mode you're in or which DPI is selected based upon a small LED that lights up depending on the DPI you're set to. And apart from that, it also gives you the option to change the DPI from within the Logitech G Hub software, which I think is really unique. I personally have it set at 1600 DPI, which I find to be just perfect for me. Talking about the software, you can actually change between endurance and performance mode from within the Logitech G Hub software. Now in endurance mode, the battery lasts anywhere from 6 to 8 months, and in performance mode, well, I don't really know, but honestly endurance mode has worked well enough for me till now. It's been almost 5 months and it's still working fine. Now out of the box, this mouse, these 2 buttons on this mouse are programmed as back and forward. Now while surfing the web, which I mostly end up doing, this too seemed to be like a boon, a blessing in disguise. I have so gotten used to these 2 buttons that I actually phantom press on mouses that don't have these 2 buttons, back and forward. This is such a neat little handy feature to have. Now honestly, I haven't used a mouse before that came with buttons like this, but now that I have them, I don't think I really want to go back to a mouse that doesn't have thumb buttons. You have a physical on-off button at the bottom. You also have 5 glides. This glides are a bit smaller in comparison to a lot of other mouse out there, but works fine for me. A lot of pro gamers might find this a bit too small, to be honest, but then again, if you're that level of pro, you can always get some custom glides. Okay, so I'm shooting this video in quarantine, so I don't really think I can show you the prices, as Amazon doesn't show the prices for the products that's not available right now. But last I saw, this mouse was retailing for I think $24.99 only about a month or 2 ago. And for that price, I think it's a great buy. And also if you can add a few offers, I think it's definitely worth the purchase. It's a compact, not too compact, but it still is a compact wireless mouse. And also if you're building a PC around the white color theme, or maybe you have white peripherals, I think this is going to go great with that. So all in all, I think it's a great bargain. It's a great mouse for the price. I've actually paired this up with a RK61 60% mechanical keyboard. The video review of it is going to be up here right about now. And apart from that, overall weight of this mouse is 76 grams, including the battery that comes with it, the alkaline Duracell battery that Logitech ships within the box. But you know, I did not have a concern regarding the weight, considering the fact that, you know, I'm a very amateur and average gamer. People who are a lot more pro than me would probably find some issues maybe with the weight, but you can always, you know, change the battery out for something like a lithium-ion battery, considering that alkaline batteries are high capacity and a bit more heavier. So that's it, guys. That's been my review for the Logitech G304 wireless gaming mouse. Let me know what you think down in the comment section, and please do subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.